Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360, and today I have with me the Infinix Smart 5. Now this is a budget smartphone that is priced around 7,000 rupees and it does boast of some good specifications. So let's go ahead, unbox this device and take our first look. But before I do that, be sure you are subscribed to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and click on that bell icon so that you don't miss out on our new videos. So this is what the box of the Infinix Smart 5 looks like, and it does drop a couple of hints right on the box. So like you can see, it's powered by a MediaTek Helio G25 SoC and it gets 6000 milliamp hour battery. At the back there are a few other specifications as well. So you've got an 8 megapixel selfie camera, a 13 megapixel dual camera setup. There's also DTS audio processing. And well, it's made in India. So these are some of the specifications. So there's also RAM and storage specification right here on the box. So let's go ahead, unbox this and take our first look. So this is the Infinix Smart 5. Look at that here. I'm not a huge fan of this reflector sticker, but it's very common on most Infinix devices. Peel it off. And this is what the device looks like. Now this is Agin Blue. There are 4 color variants of the Infinix Smart 5. So there is Morandi Green, 7 degree purple and Obsidian Black. See, now there's some trickery here because it looks like a triple camera setup, but you only get a 13 megapixel dual camera setup. Look carefully, this only mentions AI. So it's not a sensor there, and this one is the flash. So I'm going to power this device up, keep it aside and continue unboxing it. So you get a USB type A to micro USB cable in the box, and this is the charger that you get in the box. So let's quickly take a look. This looks like a regular 10-watt charger in the box. That's a 6000 milliamp hour battery, so charging times might be longer. This is the SIM eject tool that's there, and keep it aside. You also get a screen protector that you can apply, and this is the case that you get in the box. Now this is a solid plastic case. I think if you bend it too much this will break. Okay, so let's quickly keep the box aside and set the smartphone up. So while it is setting up, let's quickly pop the SIM tray open and take a look at the configuration. It is a triple slot configuration, so you can use 2 nano SIM cards and micro SD cards. I think storage expansion might be necessary given the fact that this only gets 32 GB of internal storage and 2 GB of RAM. So quickly pop that in and continue the setup. So while it is setting up, let's talk about the display, because this thing is big. It is a 6.82 inch HD plus display that you get. Now it is a 20.5:9 aspect ratio, which means that the phone is tall and slightly narrow. So it is comfortable to hold, but probably reaching the top of the display isn't very easy. Now what Infinix has also done is, if you can see, the sides are curved slightly, and that makes it very comfortable to hold the smartphone. So when I'm holding it, the curved back does help. Now there's no port at the top, at the bottom. So this is the primary microphone, a micro USB port and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And all the buttons are on the right. So you have a power button and the volume rockers. Now the power button is easy to reach. Volume rockers, you'll need to shuffle the phone in your hand a little. You've got a fingerprint scanner at the back, and I think the position is The position of the fingerprint scanner is slightly on the higher side, so it's not where my finger rests naturally, so you will have to move or rather stretch your finger a little. Quickly set the fingerprint scanner up. The camera module pretty much sits flush with it, so when you're going to look at it from the back, it does not protrude as much, so it's almost flush with the back of the smartphone, which looks good. And now that the device is set up, here's your first look at XOS UI on this phone. So as you can see, it does have a fair amount of bloatware pre-installed. You've got Facebook, YoParty, City Racing. Let's quickly check if this is running Android Go. Here are some of the key specifications. XOS based on Android. Now it's XOS Dolphin version 7.0. You get 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage, 8 megapixels selfie camera that's there on the front, 13 megapixel dual camera, a 6000 milliamp hour battery, and you get this based on Android 10. So it is Android 10 that's powering it, and it has the November 2020 security patch, which is slightly dated. So that was a quick unboxing and our first look at the Infinix Smart 5. Now, what do you think about the smartphone? Do let me know that in the comments down below. And as always, for all things tech, stay tuned to gadgets360.com.